Hello, today I will show you how to restore old right-click Windows menu. The first method is not permanent. As you can see, when I right-click, I have new version of the menu. But when I add the Shift keyboard button to right-click, the old version of the context menu appears. You can choose this option if you don't want to resign from the new menu completely. The second method I will present is to use the command in CMD. The command will disable the new menu in the system. Of course, you can undo the change using the second command. You can find them in the description of video. Run command prompt by typing CMD in Windows Start menu. Paste the command to CMD by pressing right-click or shortcut Ctrl+V and press enter. Next step is to open Task Manager. You can do this by right-click on taskbar or Windows Start icon. In the search box of Task Manager, type Explorer. If you can't see the Explorer in Processes section, move to Details in Navigation menu. Choose Explorer Process and click on Restart Task. If you don't see the Restart button, expand the window a little. After a short while, the process is restarted, and you can enjoy the old version of context menu. Thank you for watching.